Yoga One-Pointedness, the power of visualization. Teachings codified and taught by Yogamaharishi Dr. Swami Gitananda Giri, Guru Maharaj Ki, in his Yoga Step-by-Step, Lesson 44. To be one-pointed of mind is the ideal yogic state, yet how difficult it is to achieve. Most of us are one-pointed about negative things. We are one-pointed in worry, anxiety, envy, and hate of others. Our minds are often fixed on a thing or person. To be able to transfer the state onto a positive idea or object would turn the function into ekagrata, one-pointedness. Ancient Sanskrit literature uses many terms for one-pointedness, such as ekikaranam, anyavishya, and anyavritti. The Sanskrit term eka means one, and it can be looked at from both ends of the semantic scale. One can mean one object, or the one, the universal self, who is the universe itself. Anu is an atom, and when used in the yogic sense, means the microcosm and the macrocosm, the smallest and the largest, at one and the same time. The yogic method of achieving one-pointedness is not by a single means, but rather in various ways, as in Hatha Yoga, where one's concentration is put onto a specific body part or body relationship while doing an asana or static posture. In a Hatha Kriya, the concentration is upon the movement of the body, possibly duplicating some physical action or imagining oneself doing some physical action. In a mudra, the concentration is virtually gestured into a body part or function. In mantra yoga, one-pointedness is achieved through the use of a single-syllabled sound or bija mantra. Bija means a seed, so a bija mantra is a seed to produce an ultimate inner response in the garden of the mind. The sound may be slowly repeated for the sake of sound alone. This is termed japa. The sound may be expressed audibly in medium to rapid speed, and the vibration created by the mind and the sound left in the corresponding body part. For this reason, the sound Om is usually given to keep the concentration up into the mind-brain. The Guru may give a special mantra to the student, as in the system termed Transcendental Meditation. When the mantra is done silently in the mind's eye and repeated over and over again, it is called ajapa. It is a good form of yoga one-pointedness, but the Raja Yoga develops more into the field of cosmic light than self-created vibratory sounds. Out of the cosmic light or white light experience, true anahata sounds will be realized. These higher sounds, then, can be used as a focal point of concentration and meditation. In Raja Yoga, the concentration is usually upon geometric mandalas associated with the psychic chakras. In Pranayama Yoga, the one-pointedness is on watching the breath. In Karma Yoga, one-pointedness is the skill in action with which one carries out their work and duties or service to an ideal, the Guru or humankind. In Bhakti Yoga, the one-pointedness is on some aspect of the Godhead. Antaranga Yoga, the inner aspects of the yoga, teaches that one should be one-pointed only on whatever concept one has of yoga, oneness, and to merge into that universal oneness. If this is actually done properly, then apratyahara, or withdrawal of the senses from the object of the senses, is easily accomplished. Preoccupation with incoming sensory impulses falls to a minimum, and one is not disturbed by the desire to be occupied with the external world. The sense of sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell disappear, and there is a general transcendence of the body as one moves away from the clutches of the senses. Even the senses of heat and cold, pain, the visceral senses of hunger and thirst, and the other inner senses are transcended by proper pratyahara, which involves ekagrata. When one reaches the point in their yoga evolution where they are able to offer sensory surrender to their own higher nature, then a tremendous power develops out of the pratyahara. That power is the strength of the jnani who practices the jnana yoga kriyas. The essence of the jnana yoga is the visualization, the ability to see a thing or to picture an idea or to feel a state of being. In the beginning, it may seem rather of an imaginative ability, but that state is a positive one, not negative daydreaming. In the higher Raja Yoga Kriyas, the ability to visualize is carried to the ultimate, where vision, action, and being are one in yoga. If this imagery is difficult to do, then stay with the simple exercises until it comes naturally. Sometimes the ability creeps up on one, while others find that it comes like a punch in the face, literally stunning them with the force or impact of the power of the mind. Either way, the benefit is there.